Government has notified a hike in the FDI limit in pension fund management from 49% to what percent? 74%. The special COVID vaccination campaign for pregnant women, Maturu Kavacham, began in which state? Kerala. The 6 medical oxygen plants has been installed by Radico Khaitan in various parts of which state? Uttar Pradesh. Who was the first woman physician in India? Kadambini Ganguly. On which environment day the E100 pilot project was launched in which city? Pune. Which type of bank has been established as a means of cleaning up bank books? Bad bank. Which state will be the first state in the country to issue educational documents using blockchain technology? Maharashtra. Which countries have now been added to the ICC as its new members? All of the above. The International Chess Day is celebrated on which date? July 20. Which country has announced a ban on passenger flights from India till August 21, 2021? Canada. Science Exploration Day is marked every year on which date? July 20. Shaibi Banerjee belongs to which sport? Football. The Government of India has signed a loan agreement with which bank to develop the Green National Highway Corridor? The Gunaria village of which state had come out with a unique idea of holding Balika Panchayat? Gujarat. BJP leader Sudhanshu Mittal book on the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh has now been translated into which languages? Chinese